Hi, welcome to the ICIP Technology course, the first of 3 in the Iot-Inc Certified IoT Professional training program, with the others being the ICIP Business and the ICIP Strategy and Digital Transformation courses. In this course, you're going to learn the entire technology stack, but it's not really a stack, it's much more than that. A stack implies networking, but this course looks at IoT technology from a value perspective, emphasizing the digital twin and the data science instead of the plumbing. My name is Bruce Sinclair, and I'll be your instructor. I've been managing the Internet of Things in one way or another since 2008, when I was the CEO of a networking company that sold a smart home platform to ISPs. For the last few years, I've been advising brands, manufacturers, and enterprises who are buying IoT, as well as vendors and service providers who are selling IoT, on how to develop their IoT strategies and product roadmaps. I also manage the media site www.iot-inc.com that's bursting with free IoT podcasts, videos, and articles. And my book, Iot-Inc, How Your Company Can Use the Internet of Things to Win in the Outcome Economy, was published by McGraw-Hill. Note that once you have watched all the lessons and pass all the quizzes in this course, you'll be automatically enrolled in the next course in the program, the ICIP Business course. To earn your certification, you must watch all the lessons and pass all the quizzes in the 3 courses of the ICIP program. One registers you for the next, and they are taken in the order ICIP Technology, ICIP Business, and then ICIP Strategy and Digital Transformation. Your display may look different. In my case, for my student dashboard, I have all 3 courses of the ICIP program displayed. Depending on where you are, you'll have either 1, 2, or 3 of the courses displayed. If you want to jump around to get an overview of the content, do so in the identical but standalone courses that you also have access to. But remember, do your learning in the ICIP program courses in order to earn your certification. If you're ready, let's put on our gumboots and wade into the bits of your first course.